I heard someone say this: stop counting who supports you. Start being the kind of person who supports others freely. And that hit me because I had a realization about that way back. Alam nyo, there was a time na sobrang aware ako kung sino yung mga nagla-like, nagko-comment, nag-cheer, or nag-show up for me. I was silently keeping score. But one day, that made me realize that that mindset only made me tired, resentful, and empty. Because the truth is, not everyone will know how to love you the way you love them. Not everyone will support you the way you expect. And that's okay. So I slowly shifted my focus. Instead of asking, nasan sila nung kailangan ko? I started asking myself, anong klaseng tao ba gusto kong maging? So I chose to be the kind of person who supports without keeping tabs. Who claps for others even when nobody's clapping for me. Who shows kindness even when it's not returned. Kasi at the end of the day, your character is louder than the support you receive. Diba? Kasi maraming tao dyan, isang heart mo lang, isang like mo lang, isang comment mo lang, isang reply mo lang will really make their day. You don't become smaller by giving love freely. You become lighter, you become stronger, and you become more aligned. So stop counting, stop measuring, and stop waiting. Be the kind of person who supports, uplifts, and loves. Because that's who you are. And not because you are expecting something back. And I promise you, what you give with a pure heart always finds its way back. And that's your daily reminder for today.